science. Today, I'm going to bend this iPhone 6 Plus to see how much force it actually takes to make this thing unusable, or essentially bent in such a fashion that you would be pissed off as the owner of one of these devices. So, without further ado, let's get into the iPhone 6 Plus bend test.